Hello everyone, welcome to BISP Solution. Today we are going to talk about the content in the performance management, or we can create the content tab in the performance template. So let's talk about the content first. So for each section that contain content that can be rated. Okay, so you can add content item directly to the performance template, so they appear on the performance document. For both goals and the profile content section, you can load content that was included in the previously defined section. Okay. For a profile content section, such as a competencies, you can also copy content from whatever profile the section uses as a source for the content item. Okay. So you must set a profile to be used as a source in this case. This lets you target this performance template as broadly or narrowly as you need. You can decide to load content item from the section, for example, that apply to everyone who's rated using the performance document created from this template. But you may decide not to copy content directly from a profile in the template because the population being evaluated has varied profile. The worker and manager can then copy profile content on the performance document itself. Okay. If the process flow is set up to let them. Okay. So it depends on the process flow. So let's just directly move to the system and see how we can create it.